Today we are bringing you 5 creative ideas for Easter egg hunts. The first idea is a glow-in-the-dark Easter egg hunt. In order to do that, you're going to want to find Easter eggs that are fairly clear, not super thick, or even better, find some that have clear tops or sides on them. These type right here usually are pretty expensive because they're filled with more prizes and toys, but I picked them up after Easter in a clearance sale when it was like 75 or 90% off, and then you can get them super cheap. And then you just take glow sticks, and then right before you're ready to do the egg hunt, once they're already filled with their treats or whatever you want to put inside, you just put a glow stick in, break them up, and then set them out throughout the yard. It's fun for them to be able to put 1 or 2 on their wrists as well. So we did this last year, and what did you think of it?
It was amazing.
They had a lot of fun. It's definitely a new tradition in our family, saving a few of the eggs for the end of the night for an Easter egg glow-in-the-dark hunt. All right, what's idea number 2?
So, idea number 2 is alphabetical order. You have to find letter A egg before you can get letter B egg, and so forth. And
you could also do, if you have number stickers instead of letter stickers, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that way, instead of just running and having everybody try and pick up every egg they can, they have to do it a little bit more strategically and find them throughout the yard. So, good way to increase the egg hunt and keep the festivities going a little bit longer. Idea number 3 makes it quite the surprise to know what you're getting inside your egg. Normally you can shake them and figure out, is that a coin or is it a piece of candy? Or sometimes you just have to put bigger things out in the open and it's obvious that maybe it's like a toy from the dollar store instead of a piece of candy inside. So this one levels the playing field. Every egg looks the same. You just take a little puzzle, and again, you can get these from the dollar store, and then you write what they get on the price. So like this one has 10 jelly beans, there's 1 cent, 5 cent, 10 cent. If you have marshmallow eggs, so especially great if you're doing chocolate in a hot climate, you know that it can melt if it's out too long before everybody goes and collects the Easter egg hunts. But this way, you can keep all your chocolate inside in a nice cool place and just write on it, it's a chocolate covered marshmallow, things like that. And you can also do things like grand prizes, so they have no idea which ones are the big ones or which ones are the little ones. Again, equal playing field. Idea number 4 also works with puzzle pieces, but in this case, what you do is instead of writing individual prizes on each of the pieces, you put all of the puzzle together and then write on it, like on the back side of it, write on it a grand prize that they get, so that each person is able to collect all their puzzle pieces and know at the end one maybe bigger thing that they get instead of lots of little things instead. And idea number 5.
Idea number 5 works best with number 4. So the idea number 5 is to color code your eggs. Color them so that they know which ones are theirs, and you could maybe hide them a little harder.
Yep, so if like an older teenager gets the green eggs, you can be super creative about where you put it, whereas maybe a younger child gets the yellow eggs, you can put those a little bit more out in the open. So, fun ways to be able to do. If you enjoyed these 5 ideas for Easter egg hunts, make sure to give us a big thumbs up down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and also if you want more ideas for Easter games, go ahead and click on this link up here. And also click on, we'll put a few more at the end that you can be able to relate to. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!